Non-random sampling. Non-random sampling does not require a sampling frame or the generation of random numbers. There are two types of non-random sampling that you need to be aware of in the course: quota sampling and opportunity or convenience sampling. Amongst the features of non-random sampling are: no random numbers need to be generated. A sampling frame is not required. They are generally easier to do than random samples, but there are more potential sources of bias. If you have ever been asked to do a food tasting at a supermarket, chances are that you were part of one of these types of sample.